Hey Wealth Masters! Welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics for 2024, how to make money with AI. Yes, you heard that right. Artificial intelligence is no longer just for big tech companies. It's something you can use right from your home to generate income, whether you're working on side hustles or building a full-time business. And guess what? AI doesn't sleep, so you can literally make money while you do. So let's jump into some awesome ways you can make money with AI this year. First up, let's talk about AI-powered freelancing. Imagine having an assistant that never gets tired and helps you find jobs quicker, improves your work, and matches you with the perfect clients. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr use AI to match your skills with the right projects. Are you a writer, designer, or coder? Well, here's where AI comes in handy. AI tools can help you write better and faster by suggesting words, correcting grammar, or even generating creative content ideas. For designers, AI helps you create logos, banners, and other digital artwork in a snap. And for coders, AI can even find bugs in your code and suggest improvements so you can get projects done faster. Imagine this, you're a freelance writer. AI steps in, suggests the best words, and fixes your grammar, making your work absolutely shine. It's like having an extra set of eyes on your project. Only this set never misses a beat. Now let's move on to creating and selling AI-enhanced digital products. AI can help you create everything from ebooks to courses, and even AI-generated art or music. You can sell these digital products on platforms like Shopify or Etsy, making it super easy to turn your creativity into cash. Whether you're creating a stunning ebook with AI's help or producing unique AI-generated art, these tools can save you time and help you sell faster. Think about this. You want to create an ebook, but you don't have a lot of time to design it. AI steps in and helps you design a beautiful cover, writes sections for you, and formats the whole thing. In minutes, you've got a product ready to sell. All right, the next big thing is AI-driven content creation. If you've ever thought about starting a blog or a YouTube channel, AI can help you get started and get it done fast. With AI, you can come up with blog post ideas, write content, and even optimize it for SEO so people actually find your blog. It doesn't stop at writing either. If you're more into video content, AI can help you with editing, script writing, and even suggest the best topics for your audience. Here's how you make money. Show ads on your blog or YouTube channel. Get sponsorships, or use affiliate marketing to make commissions. For example, if you're a vlogger, AI can analyze trending topics and suggest video ideas that are most likely to get views, giving you a huge head start. And now, let's talk about investing with AI. AI isn't just making waves in the tech world, it's transforming how people invest. Whether you're into stocks or cryptocurrency, AI can give you a major advantage. AI trading bots can analyze tons of data faster than any human, helping you make smart moves in the stock market. You can also use platforms like Robinhood, which have built-in AI features to help you make informed trades. For those of you into crypto, AI can help you track market trends and make smart buying or selling decisions. And if you don't want to deal with any of that, no problem. You can use robo-advisors that automatically manage your investments, growing your wealth while you focus on other things. Picture this. You've got a stock trading app open, and AI tells you exactly when to buy or sell based on real-time data. It's like having a team of financial experts working for you, but without the hefty fees. Next up is how AI can help you start and grow a small business. Whether you're an entrepreneur or just starting out, AI offers tools that can help you turn your ideas into a money-making reality. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer service, answering questions while you sleep. And if you need help with marketing, AI tools can create ads, target the right audience, and even track the effectiveness of your campaigns. But here's the cool part. AI can also help you plan your business, find funding opportunities, and even automate your sales processes, making it easier to scale up. Let's say you start a small e-commerce store. AI can help you analyze customer feedback, find new ways to improve your product, and reach a wider audience. Imagine running your own business and AI is handling all the boring stuff: customer service, sales tracking, and marketing. All you have to focus on is growing your ideas and creating products people love.
And there you have it, folks.
AI in 2024 is a game changer when it comes to making money. Whether you're freelancing, creating digital products, starting a business, or investing, AI is here to help you work smarter, not harder. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. If you're ready to start making money with AI, hit the like button and subscribe to Wealth Master for more tips on how to take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and as always, Keep hustling and keep mastering your wealth. See you in the next video.